If you have Internet Download Manager installed but don't see the IDM extension in Chrome, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it quickly. As you can see, I have IDM installed on my computer. But when I click the Extensions button in Chrome, the IDM extension is missing from the list. To add it back, I've provided a link in the description. Click on that link. It will take you to a web page with the IDM extension download. Scroll down on the page until you find point number 2. Here, you'll see a direct link to install the IDM extension. Click on the link, then click Add to Chrome and confirm by selecting Add Extension. Once installed, close the page and go back to Chrome. Click on the Extensions button again, and now you'll see the IDM integration module. To make it easily accessible, click the pin icon next to it. And that's it! The IDM extension is now successfully added to Chrome. If this helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick fixes.